So finally, the time has come for which we all are waiting for. I think couple of months ago you all have given semester 1 ICSE class 10 examination, and right now the time has come to appear semester 2 ICSE class 10 examination. Yes, after 15 days everyone will get graduate into their 11th standard. The mistakes which you should not do today, and many people used to think that I did not score 90%, 85%, 95%, whether I can score 95%, if I cannot score 95%, what will be going to happen, whether I will get some of the admission in one of the reckoned college or not. People do not ever try to think those right now. It's not a time to think those. It's not a time to think others. It's not a time to listen others. If you want to do anything in your life, you can only do, because your mom has given you the birth, your dad has given you the birth, and they can only provide the education. And that doesn't mean they are nothing to you all. My parents has given me my education and they have given me birth, but the life which I have to create myself. And similarly, simultaneously, you have to create your own life. And somehow that doesn't mean people is scoring 70%, he or she cannot clear IIT NEET. For an example, people is scoring 90%, that doesn't mean he or she will get a job. Matter is not about job, IIT, NEET and all. Matter is all about self-satisfaction. Matter is all about keep calm and composed. Matter is all about avoid distraction now. Matter is all about that if I'll score a very least number of marks, what will be my future, what will be going to happen. Nothing is a future. See, many scientists, Albert Einstein, Thomas Edison, then after APJ Abdul Kalam, leave all those. I am one of the example. I should not say about myself, I was the same people. I was scoring a single digit number in my 5th, 6th, 7th grade, even though after that the scenario got changed. Yeah, I was scoring single digit number. If you will, definitely I'll share my mark list one day for sure. So moral of the story, what you did, that is different. What you will be doing, focus on that. So always remember, single sheet of paper cannot decide your future, people. That doesn't mean that you will be taking all the exam lightly. People, remain calm, remain composed, stop thinking any kind of negativity and avoid distraction. Distraction means right now you people might be having many kind of distraction, common distraction within you all people, that generally this all happened. That is calling friend. Hey, tu kitna padha, tu kitna padhi. Suppose and people, you are not calling any duffers and all. You are calling to the top peoples. How much you have read? Suppose a Preeti called to Preeti Lata, for an example. What you have read? Now I have read everything and I will definitely keep score 95%. At the same time, Preeti will start thinking, she will score 95%, I cannot score 95%. There the negativity will start within yourself. So people, do not take any kind of negativity. Do not think and stop having a conversation with your friend for at least tonight. And again I am saying overnight study. My dear most people, do not read overnight. And many people are there, they will be reading 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. It's a waste of time. If you want to read for a lot, please do join the Earn Academy. I will be taking a session at 11 p.m. sharp. If you want to join, it's well and good. If you don't, it's not a compulsion. If you want, 11 p.m. link has been given in the description box. People, do join over there, and there I will be letting you know everything, and I will be giving you all kind of tips, what to do, what not to do regarding it. And there will be having a short often session. And please do join the Telegram, and please do join the Earn Academy at the same 11. And it's not a compulsion to everyone. It's not a compulsion to everyone. And if you want to clear all kind of doubts which you have within yourself, if you are not clear yet, every doubt clearing session which I will be taking at 11 p.m. please you people can join it, and we will be having relaxation. And yes, I know very well, if you will join the session, and definitely you will get relaxed, and I will make you relax. I'll make you relax, people, and I hope everyone will join. If someone cannot join, no need. You can sleep, you can take a deep sleep, because listen to me again, after the English language you are having literature paper, and literature paper is not an easy task. अगर तुम एक बच्चा जल्दी सोएगा, 10 बजे सोता है, तो 6-7 बजे इंग्लिश ग्रामर के एग्जाम में 25 तारीख को उठता है, then after he or she is preparing for everything. After that he or she can read for the late night. Remember this. So people, moral of the story, sleep early and remain calm and composed, and do not do any kind of new experiment like searching all kind of format. This format is correct or this format is wrong. Whatever the format you knew regarding letter, notice, email, whatever, that is enough. And always remain stick to the composition part. You will do picture, I'll do story, I'll do descriptive. If someone is saying na, it doesn't bother me. For an example, you have thought that I will be doing descriptive part, I'll do descriptive part. If I'll say you do picture or story, doesn't listen to me. Even though you remain stick to your part, because you know what your strength is. I know what is my strength. My strength is picture, my strength is to make story, and my strength is to make someone very understand clearly. This is my strength, and you people might be knowing about your strength. So remain stick to your strength. Do not avoid negativity. Do not call any kind of friend, and just I should not say this all, and stop using mobile phone at least for a night, and just have a deep sleep, because deep sleep is very important for the examination hall. Overthinking, late night study is generally prohibited. If people you can want, you can join the session in the Unacademy. And the most important, stop seeing other sample paper if you are going on looking after the sample paper, this, that, and stop watching latest videos if you are getting anything, and stop watching anything whatever, and relax yourself. Listen to the music, little bit listen to the music, watch something funny kind of things, relax yourself, relax your mood, completely vanish everything, and appear exam, and you people going to rock everything. And remember one thing I'm forgetting, that whenever you are going, and yes, pack everything tonight, all the kind of accessories, pencil, eraser, sharpener, right, ball pen is very mandatory. Ball pen means 3 रुपए वाला पेन. मैं जब एग्जाम में जाता हूँ, आज भी पढ़ता हूँ, मैं आज भी एग्जाम में जाता हूँ, 3 वाला पेन लेकर जाता हूँ, राइट, बिकॉज 3 रुपए वाला पेन जितना देता है ना, लिखने का स्पीड और कोई नहीं देता. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर 3 rupees बॉल पॉइंट. एंड यस, ब्लू यू यूज, डू नॉट यूज ब्लैक. इफ डजंट मीन यू आर डूइंग रॉन्ग, ब्लू यूज करो, सबसे अच्छा रहता है. दिस आर द इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स यू शुड रिमेंबर. एडमिट कार्ड डेफिनेटली यू हैव टू टेक इट आउट. एंड रिमेंबर, people have relax and do not think about the percentage, and everything will be right according to you. And yes, if you want and yes, always try to do composition part first. Do composition first, then after letter, then after notice, then after email. Do not do letter, email writing first. And for more details, if you want to see more videos, the videos, 5 to 6 videos I have made, the link has been given in the description box. People, do watch it out. And if you are having any kind of queries, please do join the Telegram. पूछो सवाल मुझे, मैं सबका तो एक क्लियर करता हूं टेलीग्राम में. पूछो सवाल टेलीग्राम में, पूछो सवाल अनअकैडमी प्लेटफॉर्म. आई एम सॉरी अबाउट टेलीग्राम. अनअकैडमी लिंक हैज बीन गिवन इन द description below. Ask me and get your all kind of doubts and clear. And remember, in your entire life, be calm, compose, and listen to the music. Be free, have a free. Your life is not going to change after this exam, right? If you score 60%, 70%, 80%, that doesn't mean you are not going to do anything good in your future. Everything you can do. This is only a little bit level. You have to cross the level. Done. Apart from that, many bright futures are there. And remember this, you have to stand in the earth and you have to reach to the sky. Yes, you have to reach, and you will definitely reach. I can think that, and you people will definitely do. Thank you very much, and just have relaxed, everything will be all right. And yes, I know very well, whenever you will be coming from the examination hall, you will be having a giggle on your face, and you will be coming with the flying colors. Thank you, cheers, all the very best, and keep rocking on. And please do correctly the composition part, and I know people, you will be rocking on. All the very best once again, and keep smiling, and always reach high, and whatever you are aiming, just get that. It's the well wishes, and my blessings are always with you all, for your people. Thank you.